Namaste everyone, I am Ramyashri. Welcome to my channel Ashwin's Astrology. Over the time, people have consulted me on what kind of remedies we have to do to minimize the negative effects of the planet which is afflicted in the chart. And one of the best effective remedy which I always suggest to my clients is mantra japa. So in this video, I'll be showing you the 3 types of mantra for each planet which we can make use of or which we can chant on a daily basis or as and when we like, so that we can minimize the negative results of the planet. So let's begin this video. Before that, please do bookmark this video and also do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive instant notifications. So firstly, as I mentioned, there will be 3 mantras. So one is Bija mantra, the other one is Navagraha mantra, and finally Gayatri mantra for all the 9 planets. First, let's take the planet Surya. So for Surya, it is Om Ram Hrim Raum Saha Suryaya Namaha. Om Ram Hrim Raum Saha Suryaya Namaha. Next comes Chandra. Om Ram Reem Rom Saha Chandraya Namaha. Om Ram Reem Rom Saha Chandraya Namaha. Next comes Mars Mangal. Om Ram Reem Rom Saha Bhaumaya Namaha. Bhauma is another name of Mangal because he is Bhumi Putra, so it has become Bhauma. Next comes Buddha. Om Ram Breem Braum Saha Buddhaya Namaha. Om Brahm Breem Braum Saha Budaya Namaha. Next comes Guru or Jupiter. Om Gram Greem Grom Saha Gurave Namaha. Om Gram Greem Grom Saha Gurave Namaha. Next comes Shukra, that is Venus. Om Dram Dream Braum Saha Shukraya Namaha. Om Dram Dream Draum Saha Shukraya Namaha. Next comes Shani. Om Pram Preem Prom Saha Shaneshcharaya Namaha. Om Pram Preem Prom Saha Shaneshcharaya Namaha. Next comes Rahu. Om Cham Chim Chaum Saha Rahave Namaha. Om Cham Chim Chaum Saha Rahave Namaha. Next comes Ketu. Om Shram Shrim Shraum Saha Ketave Namaha. Om Shram Shrim Shraum Saha Ketave Namaha. So these were the 9 Bija mantras for all the 9 planets. Now let's look at the Navagraha mantras, which actually define or depict the planet characteristics also. Firstly, let's start with Surya. Japa Kusuma Sankasham Kashyapeyam Mahadyutim Morim Sarva Papagnam Pranatosmi Divakaram. Repeating again, Japa Kusuma Sankasham Kashyapeyam Mahadyutim Tamorim Sarva Papagnam Pranatosmi Divakaram. Next comes Chandra or moon. Dadishanka Tusharabam Kshirodarnava Sambhavam Namami Shashinam Somam Sambor Mukuta Bhushanam. Dadishanka Tusharabam Kshirodarnava Sambhavam Namami Shashinam Somam Shambor Mukuta Bhushanam. Next comes Mangal, your Mars. Drini Garbha Sambhutam Vidyut Kanti Samaprabham Kumaram Shakti Hastancha Mangalam Pranamamyaham. Dharani Garbha Sambhutam Vidyut Kanti Samaprabham Kumaram Shakti Hastancha Tam Mangalam Pranamamyaham. So in this mantra only it is said he is the Dharani Garbha Sambhuta, that is born out of the Bhumi, that is Prithvi's womb, and his Vidyut Kanti Samaprabha. So that one characteristic or signification of Mars, that is electricity, is here, and he is always young and energetic. Kumaram Shakti Hastancha. So like this, these mantras does have the significations or characteristics of the planet. So next, let's go to Buddha. So Buddha says, Priyam Gukali Kashyamam Rupena Pratimam Buddham Saumyam Saumya Gunopetam Tam Buddham Pranamamyaham. Priyam Gukali Kashyamam रूपेण प्रतिमं बुधं सौम्यं सौम्य गुणोपेतं बुधं प्रणमाम्यहम्. Next comes Guru, Devinam cha, Rishinam cha, Gurum Anchana Sannibam, Buddhibhutam Trilokesham, Tam Namami Bruhaspatim. Devinam cha, Rishinam cha, Gurum Anchana Sannibam, Buddhibhutam Trilokesham, Tam Namami Bruhaspatim. Next comes Venus or Shukra, Himakunda Mrinalabam, दैत्यानां परमं गुरुं सर्वशास्त्रपवक्तारं भार्गवं प्रणमाम्यहम्. हिमकुन्दमृणालाभं दैत्यानां परमं गुरुं सर्वशास्त्रप्रवक्तारं bhargavam pranamamyaham. So even in this shloka also it is mentioned so clearly. He is someone, the param guru of Daitya and sarva shastra pravakta. So and the son of Bhargava, or the son of Bhrugu, who is also known as Bhargava, that is Shukra itself. Next comes to Shanidev. Neelanjana Samabhasam Raviputram Yamagrajam Chaya Martanda Sambhutam Tam Namami Shaneshcharam. Neelanjana Samabhasam Raviputram Yamagrajam Chaya Martanda Sambhutam Tam Namami Shaneshcharam. Next comes Rahus. Ardhakayam Mahaviryam Chandraditya Vimardanam Simhika Garbha Sambhutam Tam Rahum Pranamamyaham. Ardhakayam Mahaviryam Chandraditya Vimardanam Simhika Garbha Sambhutam Tam Rahum Pranamamyaham. So in this shloka also you can see Ardhakayam, because that's what Rahu is. Ardhakaya means, Kaya means the body, Ardha means half, so half bodied but still a Mahavir, that is very powerful. Chandraditya Vimardanam, that is he could actually destroy, or he could swallow Chandra and Aditya, that is sun and moon, that is through eclipse. And he is someone born out of Simhika Garbha, because always the mother would be mentioned for the child to represent a child. So Simhika Garbha, that is his mother's name is Simhika, who was also one of the Dakshaputri who was married to Rishi Kashyapa. So Rahu, who is originally known as Swarbhanu, the head part is Rahu and the down part is Ketu. So that's why Rahu is mentioned as Simhika Garbha Sambhutam Tam Rahum Pranamamyaham. Next, coming to Ketu, Palasha Pushpa Sankasham, Taraka Grahamastakam, Raudram Rautratmakam Goram, Tam Ketum Pranamamyaham. Palasha Pushpa Sankasham, Taraka Grahamastakam, Raudram Raudratmakam Ghoram, Tam Ketum Pranamamyaham. So these were the Navagraha mantras for all the planets. Now let's see what is the Gayatri mantras for all the planets. So let's start with Surya. Om Ashwadvajaya Vidmahe Ashahastaya Dhimahi Tanno Surya Prachodayat. Om Ashwadvajaya Vidmahe Ashahastaya Dhimahi Tanno Surya Prachodayat. So Chandra, Om Padmadvajaya Vidmahe Hemarupaya Dhimahi Tanno Somaha Prachodayat. Om Padmadvajaya Vidmahe Hemarupaya Dhimahi Tanno Somaha Prachodayat. For Mangalya Angaraka, that is Mars. Om Veeradvajaya Vidmahe Vignahastaya Dhimahi Tanno Baumaha Prachodayat. Om Veeradvajaya Vidmahe Vignahastaya Dhimahi Tanno Baumaha Prachodayat. For Buddha or for Mercury, Om Gajadvajaya Vidmahe Sukrahastaya Dhimahi Tanno Buddha Prachodayat. Om Gajadvajaya Vidmahe Sukrahastaya Dhimahi Tanno Buddha Prachodayat. Guru or Jupiter. Om Vrishabhadvajaya Vidmahe Trunihastaya Dhimahi Tanno Guruhu Prachodayat. Om Vrishabhadvajaya Vidmahe Trunihastaya Dhimahi Tanno Guruhu Prachodayat. Shukra or Venus. Om Ashwadvajaya Vidmahe Dhanurhastaya Dhimahi Tanno Shukraha Prachodayat. Om Ashwadvajaya Vidmahe Dhanurhastaya Dhimahi Tanno Shukraha Prachodayat. Next for Shanidev. Om Kakadvajaya Vidmahe Khadgahastaya Dhimahi Tanno Mandaha Prachodayat. Om Kakadvajaya Vidmahe Khadgahastaya Dhimahi Tanno Mandaha Prachodayat. For Rahu, Om Nakadvajaya Vidmahe Om Nagadvajaya Vidmahe Padmahastaya Dhimahi तन्नो राहुः प्रचोदयात्. ओम ओम नागध्वजाय विद्महे पद्महस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो राहुः प्रचोदयात्. For Ketu, ओम अश्वध्वजाय विद्महे शूलहस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो केतुः प्रचोदयात्. ओम अश्वध्वजाय विद्महे शूलहस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो केतुः प्रचोदयात्. So you can see that all the planets are actually having this Gayatri mantras based on what kind of a vehicle or what kind of a vahana they have and what kind of weapons they have in their hands. So that's why you can see for Surya also it is Ashwadvajaya, then for Shukra also it is Ashwadvajaya, and also for Ketu also it is Ashwadvajaya, because all of them ride on horse itself, Ashwa, and but their weapons in the hand is different. So for Ketu it is Shula, then for Shukra it is Dhanur, and for Surya it is Pasha. So like this we can see all the Gayatri mantras are actually made. So these three types of mantra for all the planets are the best effective remedies to pacify the planet. So this was all about the effective remedy for all the planets in this video. If you like it, please do drop in your feedback or suggestions in the comment box. Then until we meet again, thank you.